Forests are the lungs of our planet. Covering nearly 1/3 of the Earth's land, they are home to over 80% of terrestrial species. Yet, every second, a football field-sized patch of forest disappears. Wildlife, the intricate web of life, faces extinction at an alarming pace. Our survival is deeply tied to theirs. Forests provide oxygen, water, timber, fruits, and medicines. They prevent soil erosion, floods, and regulate climate. Wildlife maintains ecological balance. Predators control populations. Pollinators help crops grow. Example: the disappearance of vultures in India during the 1990s caused a surge in stray dog populations and rabies cases, showing how loss of one species can affect human health. Agriculture and urbanization. Forests cleared for farms, roads, and cities. Industrialization, mining, dams, paper and timber industries. Poaching and hunting. Tigers for skins, rhinos for horns, elephants for ivory. Climate change. Rising temperatures affect species survival. Case study: Amazon rainforest fires, 2019. Massive fires, fueled by land clearing for cattle ranching, destroyed millions of hectares, threatening indigenous communities and global climate. Floods and droughts due to soil erosion and imbalance in rainfall. Loss of biodiversity. Species extinction reduces resilience of ecosystems. Global warming. Forest destruction releases carbon dioxide. Real-life incident, Kerala floods, 2018, were worsened by deforestation and quarrying in the Western Ghats, highlighting the cost of ecological destruction. Reserved and protected forests. Areas kept under government control. Biosphere reserves, e.g. Nilgiri, Nanda Devi, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, Kaziranga, Jim Corbett, Gir, Periyar, Joint Forest Management, JFM, villagers and officials working together. Case study: Chipko movement, 1970s. Villagers in Uttarakhand hugged trees to stop logging, becoming a landmark in global conservation history. Project Tiger, 1973, saved Bengal tigers from extinction. Project Elephant, 1992, protection of elephants and their corridors. Crocodile conservation, 1975, revived gharials in Chambal. Marine life protection, olive ridley turtles in Odisha. Case study: Gir National Park, last natural habitat of Asiatic lions. Population increased from 180 in 1974 to 674 in 2020. Tribals like Baigas, Santhals, and Bhils live in harmony with forests. Their sustainable practices, shifting cultivation, herbal medicine, protect biodiversity. Sacred groves in Meghalaya and Himachal preserve rare species. Example: Bishnoi community in Rajasthan protects blackbucks and trees following a 500-year-old tradition of eco-conservation. Amazon rainforest, called the lungs of Earth. African wildlife, Kenya and Tanzania run ecotourism to fund conservation. Endangered polar species. Climate change threatens polar bears and penguins. Case study: Yellowstone National Park, USA. Wolves were reintroduced in 1995, restoring ecological balance by controlling deer populations and regenerating forests. Chipko movement, India, 1970s. Apiko movement, Karnataka, 1980s. Silent Valley movement, Kerala, 1970s-80s. Narmada Bachao Andolan, 1985 onwards. Success story: Project Tiger, from 1,800 tigers in the 1970s to over 3,167 tigers in 2022, making India home to 70% of the world's tiger population. Tree plantation drives, 2017, 66 million trees planted in Madhya Pradesh in a single day. 2019, 220 million trees planted in Uttar Pradesh. Tiger population increase. India's tiger numbers rose by 70% in 12 years. Olive ridley nesting, Odisha, 2022. 4.5 lakh turtles nested, one of the largest ever. Indian Rhino Vision 2020. Rhino numbers increased to 600 plus in Assam. Global initiatives, Ocean Cleanup Project, Plastic Ban, India, 2022. Fridays for Future Climate Strikes. Case study: Save Molam campaign, Goa, 2020. Citizens successfully opposed projects threatening Molam National Park, proving that people's voices matter in conservation. Strengthen laws against poaching and illegal logging. Promote ecotourism to fund conservation. Use technology, drones, satellites, AI, to monitor forests. Empower local communities and tribal knowledge. Reduce plastic and carbon footprint globally. Forests and wildlife are not just natural resources. They are our lifeline. Every tree cut, every species lost takes us closer to imbalance. But every seed sown, every animal protected brings back hope. The story of conservation is not complete. It is being written today by you, by me, by all of us. The choice is ours: destruction or coexistence.